Insulin resistance is at the core of type 2 diabetes. But what does it actually mean? Let's break it down. When you eat, your body breaks down carbs into glucose, which enters your bloodstream. In response, your pancreas releases insulin, a hormone that helps your cells absorb and use that sugar for energy. But with insulin resistance, your cells don't respond well to insulin. It's like the key. Insulin no longer fits the lock, your cells. So glucose can't get in, and it builds up in the blood. To fix this, your pancreas pumps out more insulin, trying to force the sugar into your cells. For a while, this works. Your body produces extra insulin to keep blood sugar under control. But over time, the pancreas gets worn out. It can't keep up, and blood sugar starts rising. That's when insulin resistance can lead to prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance often develops silently, with no symptoms at first. It's linked to excess weight, lack of exercise, poor sleep, and genetics. The good news? It's reversible. Losing weight, moving more, managing stress, and eating fewer processed carbs can make your cells more sensitive to insulin again. In short, insulin resistance is when your body stops listening to insulin, and if left unchecked, it can lead to serious health problems. But with the right steps, it can often be turned around. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more medical animations.